John, tell me about the latest MK Flits.
Oh no, oh no, oh no. Is my mum gonna see this?
You'll have to watch and see. I can't give anything away. Ek's by Synergy, Joburg, 2013. In die hartjie van die stad. Waar almal altyd bang is om heen te kom. Ons het dit trotseer. En hier is ons nou.
You wouldn't say we're in the middle of Joburg. This is absolutely beautiful. Have you seen we've got grass in the middle of Joburg?
Like a park.
Does grass grow in the park?
Hi everyone, this is Synergy Johannesburg and it's totally awesome.
And I just bump into the coolest people at Synergy. Look, it's Catherine Grenfell. First of all, let's start with Synergy Cape Town.
Amazing setting.
Very, very cool.
It was ballsy.
Very hangover from the Cape Town. So Cape Town was a good party.
It was awesome. I vomited on the plane this morning.
It was radical.
Hi, I'm Mark from Gangsterdam, and I'm at Synergy 2013.
What is Synergy like in Afrikaans?
Synergy is die beste ding van my lewe.
Synergy's the best fucking party!
Do you feel like Synergy is the most synergistic festival of your lifetime?
I feel like you're the most synergistic festival of my lifetime.
Oh, that is beautiful.
And what do you think of tonight? How do you think it's been going?
I think it is absolutely fantastic.
If you look at the what's happening on that stage, it's rocking. The other stages are rocking, so it's good.
What's up? This is Ronnie from Red Jumpsuit Apparatus.
So I've got a problem. Some people will come to me and they'll be like, at the airport, I'll hand in my ticket and they'll be, oh, are you G? Then I'm, no, sorry, I'm John. Does it look like I'm made out of denim and that I'm a pant?
Out of all the bands that played tonight, what would be your best?
Zebra and Giraffe, obviously.
They were fantastic.
Greg, how was your show?
It was cool.
It was cool.
I was headbanging so much my neck is in pain. But it was really fun.
And if you don't know, that's Gangs of Ballet. I'm such a groupie.
What did you think of Gangs of Ballet?
They were fantastic. Absolutely amazing.
Are you wearing the gang's undies?
Definitely had to be.
Ballsy.
We only make extra large.
I need to get a pic. PH Fat in the background.
Oh my god.
Feeling it.
Oh,
Feeling it. Feeling it.
love them so much.
Oh, the best so far is PH Fats.
PH Bats, very, very consistent. Like, always get the car pumping, so really, really love them.
PH Fat by far. I was jumping to the roof. I was jamming so hard. If you can't love them, you're not South African.
What's up? This is Luan Bobo. We're at Synergy Joburg. And it's amazing! I'm Jenny from Vibenica and I'm at Synergy Live 2013 in Johannesburg. And it's been really fucking awesome.
Ek het net 'n bietjie gedrink. Soos dat. Of groter shit. Do you have another hand?
I've seen a lot of cool acts. The international acts are really awesome.
Oh, now I know why you're lying in a hammock, because you're saving yourself a red jumpsuit apparatus.
The one. I was super impressed.
And are you ready for everything?
Dude, am I ready for everything?
Yeah. Did they play everything or did they not play everything?
Alles.
Hello, we're everything, and you're watching MK Flits.
Alles.
I'm very excited about everything.
I'm looking forward to everything.
And are you really excited to watch them or not really?
I'm really excited to watch them.
Everything are incredible. That's why I'm here again.
I'm big groupie.
Such a groupie. Like, when I see them, I'm like, I get red in the face.
And you like them?
So much.
Like big groupie.
Actually, just groupie for everybody.
Touch me.